Hi guys, so I just received my Mac Selena lipstick. Got it on clearance at Macy's. And I just super excited to try it because it's luscious red. Whoa. So I already conditioned my lips. So I'm going to put some Burt's Bees lip gloss. Oh, look at this. See, the vibrant color is nice and red. And look at this. So let's see. I'm not a fan of much of red lipstick, but let's see. Let's see. It's like a matte. It's really vibrant. Some people condition this and some do. I do. Oh gosh, look at this mess. A complete mess. Oh my goodness. Let me see, guys. This ain't working. But it's not bad. It's not bad. So let's see. You could tell I don't know put on lipstick, can you tell? But you like it?
Yeah.
I don't know what much it is. It's not bad.
Yeah, it is. It's not bad.
So we need a little bit more. The thing, but it comes out so rich, so that's the thing. So I'm gonna try and wipe it off a little bit because the color is so rich. Much better. It's so vibrant. I love it. I never used to be keen on red lipstick, but I just love the vibrant color in it. Oh my god. Not bad. What you guys think? There you have it. Mac Selena lipstick.
Okay.
That's my baby. Okay. Alright guys, bye-bye. So look, if you like it, go try it and get it. I'll post a link in there for you guys for you to go and get it. Okay.
Comment down below.
Comment down below. Like, let my daughter say, comment down below for more videos like this. If you want me to do more reviews like this. And what else?
Go to my mom's
it's
video.
Smooth, I like it.
And also go to my mom's videos or her TikToks or go to my mom's video.
Look at this. Let's see. Hey guys, so the lipstick has stayed intact. Look at that. Nice and smooth put on, not like when I first put it on. That was funny. And it's nice and dry, so I don't know about a 24-hour period because I didn't do that, but I'm just showing you later. I waited for a few minutes, like probably 30 minutes now since when I earlier showed you guys. And look at it, it's beautiful. I love it. It's vibrant, it's staying intact. Let me see. Somebody else kiss. Look at that. Just so light. Don't even come off. See that? So it's beautiful. Okay. So there we have it. This Mac Lipstick Selena is forgive me guys. No worries. This lipstick Mac Selena is beautiful.
Oh no, this one is called over. Never know you would really feel so nice.
So, feeling confident, right guys? Confident. Put that red lipstick on. You may be down, but it can put you up.
Guys, so I still have on the Mac Selena lipstick and it was my time to go to my bed. And I'm trying to take it off. Look, I used a rag and a water. Hard to take off. So I'm using some coconut oil. I'm going to see if that comes off. Look. A mess. See, it works. Oh my god, that's horrible. That's the only thing. I hate when makeup products take a week to come off. So look at that. See, it came up with coconut oil. Perfect. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jen, just being creative. Bye-bye.